Ways to use ice cubes for amazing skin. Hello friends! Before you start watching our video, don't forget to subscribe to us and press the bell icon beside the subscription button to get notified every time on YouTube. Water benefits skin in many ways, but it is surprising to know that frozen water has many uses in beauty care if applied properly. It helps to shrink pores and even stop sweating for a while. Yes, rubbing ice on the skin does have benefits, but one should remember not to apply ice directly on the skin because it can damage the capillaries. Wrap ice cubes in a clean cloth and then apply it on the face gently for a few seconds at a time. This should be done after cleansing. It can refresh the skin and even add a glow. To make your foundation last during the hot and humid season, first cleanse the skin and then apply an astringent toner using cotton wool. After a few minutes, wrap an ice cube in a clean cloth and apply it on the skin for a few seconds at a time. This helps to close the pores. Ice applications are also helpful in dealing with acne conditions. If acne eruptions look red and inflamed, ice would help the condition to subside. If there is any injury with swelling, we have heard how an ice pack reduces the inflammation and relieves pain. The same principle can be applied to reduce puffy eyes. Again, wrap the ice cube in a clean cloth and apply under the eyes for a few seconds at a time. The skin under the eyes is very thin, and this can result in broken capillaries if you apply the ice for longer periods. After threading or even waxing, ice applications do help. Rub the cubes over your face properly and leave them for 20 minutes and then rinse. It works as a great cleanser and toner if used twice daily. If you have dry skin, add 2 to 3 almonds to this paste and it will be a boon for your skin. For oily skin, add lime juice autocollant to the cube. It keeps your skin odor-free and well-nourished. You can also use it for underarms as it helps controlling the excessive sweat and odor. If your skin is patchy or is sunburnt, you can use aloe vera cubes to cure and nourish your skin. You can add jasmine or neem oil, which are very good for skin. Just take 1 cube and rub it over your neck, knuckles, and elbows and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes to remove dark cells and tanning. And if you liked our videos, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up.